Hey y'all, it's Deja the Diva, hard at work. Can y'all guess what I'm doing? Y'all see that wall? Y'all see that wall, don't you? Well, if you don't recognize this wall, you've seen it around Christmas time. Yes, I am at my mama's house, top floor, penthouse suite. And this wall used to be orange just moments ago, y'all. Been working, y'all, been working. And she is redoing her penthouse. And you will get a tour of the penthouse shortly. Let's see. I was trying to show you her little... She has a large patio. As I said, this is the penthouse suite, top floor. So they do have the large balconies, which we're thinking about putting some, I gotta retouch that though. Thinking about putting some, like a sectional out there. We won't stop at Lowe's and do a little shopping, and I'll probably take you guys along with me. But yeah, this wall just moments ago was orange. I gotta do more work around the top. It was hard to cover up that orange. And this is a Valspar paint. I'm not quite sure of the color, but it's like a gray with a bluish hue. And if you've seen her bathroom, it has the same color in it. We're using the same color we used in there and here. So, yeah. Just wanted to update you guys and show you, spring fix and spring cleaning at Mama's house. All in the day's work. So you guys can see what is going on. What is going on? Take you step by step on the renovation of the suite. All right, you guys. This is Deja the Diva. Thank you. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. I love you guys to life, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.